the future for Malleshwaram would be to be free from violence, to be free from any fear, where citizens of all age groups can live together peacefully and in great joy.
And I want the Sankitang to be the same. They shouldn't cut the Sankitang trees.
Now BBMP have improved a lot, but still more they have to do afforestation, not a deforestation. Before Malleshwaram was very beautiful of afforestation. There was more plants, more everything. Now just for small roads that almost 100 to 200 trees were gone. So it is very bad.
Broader footpaths and easier walking way. So that's one thing that I would want.
And I would like to have cycle lanes in Malleshwaram.
You get shouted here because you're using a cycle and you're slower than the rest of the vehicles.
The other day in the morning, I went to this yoga class and I was riding the cycle and I somehow missed the lane. I was about to dash a two-wheeler and he scolded me badly. He cursed at me. I was like, oh my God, this Bangalore is never going to change. From that time, I'm very furious to change Bangalore. Let's see. I want to do it. So MAP is really good.
MAP initiative is like a small way in which we can actually make a dent in the system.
Come on, it's not impossible to change something to better. I feel, okay, maybe it's a bit difficult to change to better. Let's not make it impossible, let's make it possible.
This project has potential, and though it will require a mind shift on the part of us Bangaloreans, residents of Malleshwaram to be specific, but then India is undergoing a change where people are coming out onto the streets and speaking for what they think they deserve. A change for the better towards progress. So I think this should at least stir up some of us to wake up and realize that this could be done.
You can talk and make people just changed by your talks. That's the best gift I have got, at least. So let me try it out. Why waste my talent, right?
I have seen the leaders are always a few in a community and they drive the change. So even if a few people are convinced about it, I think this will work.
Even though I have two-wheeler, I'll go by cycle. And near college, I'll come by BMTC sometimes. Often I'm cycling Saturdays. So I feel little proud that at least I am doing a favor to the society or something.
You have to be the change. Otherwise, you're just one sheep among all the others.
The MAP project, it's really good.
Maybe someday we'll start cycling throughout and ban all the two-wheelers.
Malleshwaram, as I see it, is a beautiful place. If this happens, I'm sure it will be even more a beautiful place to live in. Many people from outside could come in, appreciate it, and then go back home perhaps taking nice memories.